Hi everyone, I am Ali. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to convert Python exe to Python source code or convert exe of Python to .py file. So if you got an exe which you believe is a Python exe and you want to get its source code back, so here's how you can convert that to the source code. So a few days back, I lost my source code file of a freelance project that I was working on, and I accidentally converted. I was converting that source code to exe, but I accidentally overwrite that file on the same folder where my source code was. So I lost my source code, and I was shocked. What did I do? But I knew that how to get that source code back. But okay, and I was searching for a nice module. I have used a couple of reverse engineering tools before, but I just found this module I'm gonna show you guys now. So without wasting your further time in talking, let's just jump into showing how to do it. So here, this is the module PyDumpback. Um, is this version 1.5, 1.15.11 this time. So this module includes everything that you need. It includes PyCDC, it includes uncompiled version 6, which are the two most important modules to reverse engineer your Python file. Okay, so you have to install this. I have already installed this one. And first of all, I'm going to convert this source code to this test file source code. Wait, let me show you this source code to exe file. Okay, using autopy to exe. As you can see, I have already typed my command. Okay, here, and I have this module running. This is also a module autopy to exe. You can download from here. Okay, if you go to here and just type autopy to exe in the same format like I have write in the terminal, in the integrated terminal of my PyCharm ID, so you'll get that module. And I think most of you must know this module to how to convert Python file to exe file, and I'm going to reconvert back to the source code, this one. So yeah, I have this running. I will just show you. I'll also share. So here is the autopy to exe. I will run from this command. Okay, the command in the IDE. So I will just, what I will do is I'll pick the test file. Okay, so from here I will pick this file. Let me just select this one. Yeah, so here I selected this one. This is the path to that test file, which is here. Let me show you quickly. Here is the test file. Okay guys, this is the test file I have selected in this one. And yeah, let's just convert that. Okay, so it will convert this to, yeah, the output directory in the alibots folder, which is this current folder. Okay, so let this just be there. And okay, while it converts, we will okay, it will generate an exe. And after that, we should wait for this process. Okay, so before that, let me show you uh, quickly this modules, what it does and how to. Okay, if after you install it, it's the usage guide. You can pull it up from here, or you can. Okay, so here are the arguments or parameters which you can give to this PyDumpback, or you can just type PyDumpback space your file.exe. Okay, and here are the, okay, from this this is the output directory. Okay, where you wanna output the source file. Okay, for example, you want the source code. to be right to output this directory after converting from exe. Okay, and how many threads you want to run with timeout if it doesn't respond in that and session, etc. So why this is the target file. Okay, target file type. So if your file type is, for example, here it's mentioned, if your target file type is specific, you want to mention like my target file type is .exe, .elf, .pyz, okay, sorry, .pyz, .pyc, etc. So you can mention it like that. And after that, this is the decomp. Okay, this is the sorry, compile. Okay, if you want to mention a specific file, okay, it says that refer file to complete by default. Okay, you should leave this one. Okay, I think you should leave this one. But here was another. Yeah, this one is important, the plugin. So what plugin you want to use? You want to use PyCDC or uncompile 6. Okay, if you leave it blank, it will automatically select the the plugin for PyCDC or uncompile 6. So in the most simple way, you can put it like this. Okay, pydumpack .xyz etc. .exe .elf etc. If you want to, for example, also select a specific plugin like uncompile 6, but let me tell you guys this too, that uncompile 6 only supports at this time, at recording time of this video, it only supports Python up to Python 3.8 version. Okay, onward of 3.8 it doesn't support that. Okay, so that's why it's best to leave this option, or you just select up to this one. Okay, you just leave uncompile 6, automatically select this one. And you can also actually, if it gives you an error, like for example, currently I'm running Python 3.10.5. So if this module, this pydumpack module says that 3.10.5, the sub version is or the sub version is not included, so you can manually add that in the pydumpack. It will give you that error, and you have just to follow that error and add that in the module. I will show you guys that too, I think. Okay, so let me, yeah, so our, yeah guys, so this is done. Actually what we will do is we will go to the output folder. Okay, let me quickly share that. Let me clear this one, and we don't need anymore need this. Let me quickly do this. And okay, so it's gone. Let me share the output folder with you guys. So in R2Py2exe, I will share the Explorer output. So here is our output, and here it is. Yeah, we got it. Okay, so now what I will do is I will copy this test.exe. Okay, and I will paste it in my main directory here besides the test file. Okay, so here's, yeah, because this is my main directory, the alibots directory, which where my virtual environment is lying. Okay, yeah, so now what we'll do is we'll get back to our, yeah, get back to our PyCharm. Okay, and what I will do, I will clear the screen. Okay, and now it's time to run the pydumpack. Space test.exe, test.exe. Okay, do not run on test.py. So it is the test.exe, and let's just run it. It will here it will create another directory called output.exe. Sorry, output, or with some random digits. Now starting pydumpack, target dump okay, selected. Here it's it has successfully written the file. Yeah, I think okay, so it has just completed the file. Now that I will stop this, or maybe it will self stop. Okay, okay guys, then let me clear this one. And it has successfully, okay, let me also show you in the files where it has generated that. So if we go to the output, this one, we will see pycdc.py. Okay, here is the file. We will open this from here. Wait a bit, let me this. So this is our, oh sorry guys, what did I do? This one. Okay guys, so we got back our source code. So this one is actually, yeah, so this is not necessary, I think. Due to some reason. So I'm also it's mentioned in this dump pack python dump pack documentation that you might get some source code missing, which happened to me in my previous try or with the dump pack. Okay, the python pack, I got some source code missing, but it was like not that much, maybe, yeah, 99.9% my source code was successfully converted, okay, from exe. And I got that, but I was able to manage other source code. So it's still better to get back your source code like to some point. Yeah, so that's it for this video guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it may be helpful for many, because I had this issue and I had trouble with this for a long time. So I wanted to show you guys how to do that. And you can also use, for example, if you don't know the target language of an exe file, you can use dnspy. Okay, dnspy is a module where you can find your, I will also create a, yeah, I also create a video on that. Okay, how to identify the target, the programming language of an exe file. So it's actually used for mainly used for okay, so you can, for example, if you find a program which was written in .NET or something like that, or C++ or something, so you can identify that with dnspy. Okay, or you can identify it with the byte, which is called process identification, something like that. Yeah, it's a module, so I will create a video on that. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe if you like my channel, or in the helpful videos I will also upload some short tricks and tips on this channel and related to programming, etc., or maybe some non-programming tips and tricks which will might be helpful for many of you guys. Okay guys, see you guys in next video. Bye bye.